10 class chapter 5 exercise 5.2 question number 2.1 30th time of the AP given AP is equals to AP is equals to 10 comma 7 comma 4 so on. So A is equals to 10, D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to 7 minus 10 is equals to minus 3. 30th term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is A30 into A10 plus 30 minus 1. D is equals to minus 3. A30 is equals to 10 plus 29 into minus 3 is equals to 10 plus minus 87 is equals to minus 77.